because you don't want to overwork yourself and you don't want to run out of content. So if you guys want to know my schedule, I try to post every other day, and it is a lot of work.
We don't need your fancy stage, brother. Once a Trini reaching your vet is nice, boy.
Hi guys, it's Nya. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome, cousin. How are you? Here on my channel, I give you guys YouTube tips and tricks. I do my hair when I feel cute, and I do a bunch of other stuff that you guys probably do not care about, but I'm still going to show you guys. Welcome to a YouTube video. Today I will be telling you guys how often you should be posting and when the best time is to post. Yo, a bug just flew past. So I often get a lot of questions from beginner YouTubers or just people who have a YouTube in general.
When is the best time to post? What time should I post? How often should I be posting?
My suggestion is different for everybody, so I can't tell you specifically, but something that I do suggest is plan out your content so that you know how much you can post without running out of content. That specifically is very important. And however much that you choose to post, make sure that you have enough time and energy to edit those videos to have them out by when you want to have them out. So for example, if you want to post a video every day, make sure that you have these videos for every day. If you're the type of person that wants to upload 2 times a week, just make sure that you have content. It all just depends back on how much content you have and how much time you have. Cousin, you ain't like the video yet? And your post notifications are off. Like, I see you. Why are your post notifications off? And you didn't like the video. Like, y'all really like breaking my heart, and it's confusing. Like, I thought that we were related. It's okay. Listen, I'm gonna remind you, please don't forget to like the video, drop a comment so that I know that you stopped by, and put your post notifications on. Does it sound like I'm losing my voice? Because I feel like I'm losing my... All right, back to the video. I suggest uploading at least 2 to 3 times a week. And that's just enough to get you on the map, and that's just enough for people to see your face and not forget about you. If you watch a video and you don't subscribe, like you get off of it, YouTube will still show you that person. Let me know if that has ever happened to you. You might not subscribe, you might like get off of that video and click on somebody else's, and then you go on YouTube like the next day and you see a next video from the person that you watch that you're not subscribed to. Like, YouTube is recommending their content to you. Cool. So imagine that you post once a month. Your video can't get recommended. I mean, it can if it's doing good, but if people forget about you, then your video will not get recommended. Am I making sense, yo? Because sometimes I'll be like, is she making sense? And then I watch my video and then I'll be like, okay, that makes sense. But basically what I'm saying is, it's harder for you to show up in YouTube's recommended if you're not consistent. And that's basically what I'm trying to get at here. It's just easier for you to show up in YouTube's recommended and suggested if you are posting consistently. So once a month, out of the question. Post at least 2 to 3 times a week if you can. And if you can't, then try to find time 2 to 3 times a week, please, because like that's the bare minimum. Before you do anything, what I suggest that you do is, you know, check out my videos on how to start your channel, because there's a tip that I always tell you guys to do, and that's to plan out your content, get a calendar, and figure out a schedule for yourself so that you know when you want to upload. You want to look at your schedule and figure out, okay,
do I want to post every day? Do I want to post every other day? What days are there going to be?
Figure out a schedule that works best for you and your content, and just make sure that you have enough content for those days. Like, don't tell your subscribers that you post every day, but you only post once a month. I have a calendar. I try to post. Monday is a random video, Wednesday is usually a hair video, Friday is a YouTube video, and then Sundays if I want to post or not. I know that I'm going to post a video on those days. So for my calendar, I have under Monday, miscellaneous video, because Mondays are usually a miscellaneous video. Wednesday, wigging counters video. And Friday is the video that I uploaded with good lighting. I plan ahead, so I upload a YouTube video on Friday, but on Saturday, I'm already planning my video for next Friday. And it's the same thing every week. So I feel like that's how often you should post, and I really want you guys to get, you know, a nice cute little calendar, planner, whatever it is that works for you, and schedule your videos ahead of time, which again helps with consistency. I went over this a few times. And now we're going to get into when the best time is for you to post. So you can actually find the best time to post in analytics. So I'm going to show you guys from a computer view. So first you're going to want to open up YouTube and click on the top right corner on your profile picture, click your channel, and click YouTube Studio, which will be directly under your banner. So after you click YouTube Studio, it will take you to YouTube Studio, and on the left hand side you will click Analytics. And at the very top, there are options, overview, reach, engagement, whatever. You want to click audience, which is the 4th option. Scroll down and boom, there it is. So the darker the purple is when they're online, and the lighter is when they're not, basically. So this is how you, based on your subscribers and your audience, can tell when the best time it is for you to post. Whatever the dark purple is, it's a good time to post. So something that I like to do is try to find the earliest best time so that people are on YouTube and they're watching your videos. That way your video does well within a 24-hour time frame, which helps to get recommended more, as opposed to say, I know that my audience is online at 6 p.m. so I'm gonna post a video at 6 p.m. but nobody's really online at 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, blah, blah, blah. It's not really gonna do well within its first hours because usually everybody is asleep, nobody's really online, and it's not gonna get as much traction. So I would suggest posting at the earliest time where everybody is online. So I hope that you guys now understand how often you should post, personally, how often you should post, and when the best time is for you to post. Again, please do not forget to check out my YouTube tips and tricks playlist because a lot of questions that you guys have can definitely be found over there. And do not forget to follow me on Instagram and turn your post notifications on because a lot of you guys don't have my post notifications on, and it's really like, okay, so. And do not forget to follow me on Instagram because I am going to post this iMovie one-on-one tutorial as well as how I edit with iMovie, but you guys have to get me to 10K on Instagram. We are like 300 away, okay? I'm at like 9,000, either 6 or 7, I don't really know. Yes, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. My Instagram is down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Anybody with a YouTube channel, anybody who wants to start a YouTube channel, anybody who's here just because they want to watch, hi, how are you, hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. I feel like something's on my shoulder. Oh, because a piece of hair. Yeah, ever felt like just like a piece of hair and you just magically know where it's at? I have that superpower.